Welcome to another Golden Rule video where we care about your comfort. I'm Jake Wearmouth, your friendly HVAC expert, and today we're exploring the wonderful world of static pressure. So what exactly is static pressure in an HVAC system? Think of it as the force that air faces as it travels through your ductwork. It's like the resistance that you feel when you blow through a straw. Only this time, your HVAC system is doing the heavy lifting. Now you might wonder, what is a good static pressure for my system? Well, for most homes in central Iowa, the sweet spot is between 0.5 and 0.7 inches of water column. That's the Goldilocks zone. Not too high, not too low, just right for keeping your home comfortable. But what happens if static pressure gets too high? It's like your HVAC system is turning into a superhero trying to push all that air through a clogged up straw. Your system works harder and uses more energy, and it can even lead to uneven heating and cooling in your home. Not exactly what we want, right? On the other hand, if static pressure is too low, it's like having leaks in your ductwork. The air just doesn't get where it needs to go efficiently. Again, this isn't ideal for keeping your home comfy and cozy. But fear not, dear homeowners. Here at Golden Rule, we've got your back. Whether you need a simple tune-up or to fix those pesky duct leaks, we're here to ensure that your HVAC system runs like a dream. If you ever need help with your HVAC system, don't hesitate to call us. Remember, at Golden Rule, we're not just about fixing systems, we're about making sure you stay comfortable in your home all year round. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay cozy, stay comfortable, and remember, we're here for you at Golden Rule. Take care.